The BET Nightly News, our newscast with Jackie Reed, covering our world, our issues, and our culture. The BET Nightly News starts right now.
Coming up, a look at the latest cosmetic surgery techniques for African American skin. A growing number of African Americans are choosing to have plastic surgery. It used to be that scarring was a major concern among darker skinned patients, but doctors have greatly reduced those risks. BET's Andre Showell has more.
Once considered a luxury for only the rich, cosmetic surgery is finding a growing clientele among African Americans. That's where the Cultura Cosmetic Medical Spa in Washington comes in.
The reason why Cultura, I think, is so special, we have not only dermatology, we have plastic surgery, we have skincare specialists, and we have the best cosmeceuticals that we have found that are really safe and effective to people of color.
In a little more than a year, business has grown 150%. Why? They have techniques specifically designed for black skin, and word is spreading.
Have undergone treatments for hair removal for dark hairs as well as for the lighter color hairs, and I am very pleased that I took the initiative to come in.
Edith, like so many people of color, face a greater risk of permanent scarring from some laser treatments. Doctors at Cultura used a special colorblind laser.
The research was trying to figure out a way where we could treat people of color, still get the results, but no side effects, and we're there.
According to the American Society of Plastic Surgeons, cosmetic procedures rose to 6% last year among African Americans, while the national rate dropped 12%.
There was probably no better time, in the history of cosmetic therapy to be an African American facial plastic surgeon, is because there really is a growing demand for aesthetic procedures.
Lou Baker had a problem many black men face, ingrown hairs, so he had them removed by laser.
My hair is going to be curly. I can't change the texture of my skin, so the only thing I could do was to have the hair removed. And from what I understand with Dr. Battle and his modification of the laser technique, it's worked out very well for people of color.
African Americans represent the new face of aesthetic medicine, a field that is now an $8 billion industry. In Washington, Andre Showell, BET Nightly News.